If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Renegade Sport in black clear coat. With halogen headlamps, deep tinted sunscreen glass, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, lower body side cladding, black side roof rails, manual 6-way adjustable driver seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, electronic vehicle information center, Uconnect 3 with 5-inch display, Park View rear backup camera, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, SELEC-TERRAIN system, 12-volt auxiliary power outlet, rear 60/40 folding seat, height adjustable load floor, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3344A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.